Many CELPIP candidates struggle with writing task 1 because they don't understand what examiners are looking for to award a CLB 7 or higher. But if you know what you need to do and how to use templates, it becomes much easier to score highly. In this video, you'll get 9 tips you must know for CLB 7+, and I'll show you how to use templates to boost your score. If you're taking the CELPIP soon, check out my CELPIP materials. I'll guide you step by step on how to score high, and you'll get all the templates you need to feel confident on test day. The link is in the description. And now, let's get started. Tip number 1 is to use linking words to connect your ideas smoothly. The CELPIP examiners use 4 criteria to score your response: content and coherence, vocabulary, readability, and task fulfillment. Linking words are crucial for scoring high in the readability dimension, which accounts for 25% of your total score. Effective linking words help your email flow logically and make it easier for the examiner to follow your thoughts. For adding information, you can use words like additionally, furthermore, moreover, or in addition. For contrasting ideas, try however, nevertheless, on the other hand, or despite this. Let's compare 2 examples. I want to complain about the service. The staff was rude. The food was cold. I want a refund. Now, check this out. I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with the service I received. Firstly, the staff was extremely rude throughout my visit. Additionally, the food was served cold, which made the meal completely unenjoyable. As a result of these issues, I would like to request a full refund. As you can see, the second example flows much better and demonstrates clear relationships between ideas, leading to a higher readability score. That's why it's extremely important to use linking words. To ensure you use a variety of linking words and advanced language, I highly recommend using templates. Templates provide you with sentence starters that work for every email in CELPIP Writing Task 1. They include plenty of linking words and different sentence structures, so you can show the CELPIP examiners that you know how to write complex sentences. So templates can help you boost your score. Let me give you 5 powerful sentence starters from my templates that you can use immediately in your answer. Let's say the task asks you to write a formal email making suggestions. For example, you have to suggest improvements for a local library. When starting your email, you can use this sentence starter. I am writing to present several constructive suggestions regarding. This sentence starter clearly shows why you are writing, uses a formal tone and advanced vocabulary like to present and constructive suggestions. When presenting your suggestions, write this. First, I would recommend implementing. This sentence uses the conditional structure would recommend, which will impress the CELPIP examiners. Don't forget to add supporting details. Make sure you use different linking words and vocabulary. This way, you show the CELPIP examiners that you have a wide vocabulary and you ensure your response is well structured. For example, you can use this sentence starter from my templates. Additionally, it would be beneficial to consider. Remember to write about consequences too. Here are high-scoring sentence starters to do this. Subsequently, I propose that. Consequently, I suggest exploring the possibility of. Finally, make sure you write a concluding statement using a sentence like this one. I believe these recommendations would significantly enhance. This sentence starter demonstrates that you know advanced grammar because it uses the conditional structure would enhance. Additionally, it showcases advanced vocabulary like significantly and recommendations. To get all the templates you need, click on the link below and check out my CELPIP materials. You can find templates for all CELPIP speaking and writing tasks there and for every kind of question. Whether you're writing a formal email to ask about a job, giving suggestions, or thanking a neighbor in an informal tone, you'll find high-scoring templates for every situation, including full sample answers. Don't waste time guessing what to say. Get the exact structure and vocabulary the CELPIP examiners want to see. Grab your CELPIP templates now. The link is below. Tip number 3 is to demonstrate a variety of sentence structures in your email. This is essential for scoring well in the readability dimension, where examiners look for your ability to use both simple and complex sentences accurately. To achieve CLB 7+, you need to show you can use conditional sentences, passive voice, and relative clauses effectively. Let's compare two approaches. Here is a sentence that uses simple structures only. I received your letter. I want to apply for the job. I have experience. I can start soon. Now, check out this sentence. I am writing in response to your advertisement, which appeared in yesterday's newspaper. Having worked in similar positions for 3 years, I have developed the skills required for this role. Should my application be successful, I would be available to start immediately. The second example includes several complex sentence structures. For instance, it uses the conditional structure. Should my application be successful, I would be available to start immediately. Using such sentence structures will help you get a higher readability score. Tip number 4 is crucial. Match your level of formality to the email type. This directly impacts your task fulfillment score and is one of the most common mistakes CELPIP candidates make. For formal emails, use full forms instead of contractions, sophisticated vocabulary, and maintain a respectful, impersonal tone. For example, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with the service I received at your establishment. For semi-formal emails, you can use contractions with a polite but slightly more personal tone. I'm writing regarding the heating system in my apartment, which hasn't been working properly. For informal emails, use contractions freely, include casual expressions, and maintain a conversational tone like this. Hey Sarah, guess what? I finally got that promotion I was telling you about. The CELPIP examiners specifically evaluate your ability to adapt your writing style to different contexts. So getting the level of formality right is essential for scoring CLB 7 or higher. By the way, if you want more CELPIP writing videos, click the like button and write yes in the comments. If you want something else, tell me your video wish in the comments so I know what you want to see on this channel. Now, let's have a look at 5 more tips that help you score high in CELPIP Writing Task 1. My next tip is absolutely critical. Address every single bullet point mentioned in the task. In CELPIP Writing Task 1, you'll typically receive 3 or 4 bullet points outlining specific information you must include in your email. This directly affects your task fulfillment score. Failing to address even 1 bullet point will significantly reduce your score. Tip number 6 is to follow the appropriate structure for your email type. A well-structured email makes a positive impression on the CELPIP examiners and helps organize your ideas logically, contributing to your readability score. All emails should include an opening paragraph explaining your purpose, body paragraphs covering all required points, and a closing paragraph with an appropriate sign-off. Following these conventions shows the examiners you understand English email writing standards and ensures that your response is well structured. Tip number 7 is to demonstrate advanced vocabulary through paraphrasing. This is crucial for scoring high in the vocabulary dimension, which accounts for 25% of your total score. Paraphrasing means expressing the same idea using different words and structures, allowing you to showcase your vocabulary range and avoid repetition. For example, rather than writing "the service was bad" multiple times, you could write "the service was disappointing." the assistance provided was inadequate, and the overall experience was unsatisfactory. This variety demonstrates your lexical range and contributes significantly to achieving CLB 7+. Tip number 8 is to include relevant details and examples in your email. This is essential for achieving high scores in the content coherence dimension. Simply addressing the bullet points in a basic way isn't enough for CLB 7+. You need to expand on each point with appropriate details, explanations, or examples that are relevant to the task. Let's compare 2 examples. The service was poor. Please fix it. Now, check out this one. The customer service I received was extremely disappointing. Despite waiting over 30 minutes to speak with a representative, the staff member was unable to resolve my billing inquiry and appeared to lack proper training. This experience has left me questioning whether to continue using your services. As you can see, the second example provides specific information about the duration of the wait, the nature of the problem, and the impact on the customer. This demonstrates your ability to communicate precisely and effectively and will help you boost your score. My final tip is to proofread your email carefully. This step is often overlooked, but it's crucial for maximizing your score, especially in the readability dimension. Even small errors can significantly impact your score. At CLB 7+, the examiner expects to see mostly error-free sentences, with only occasional minor mistakes. Also, ensure your email makes logical sense and that all bullet points have been addressed completely. That's it! That's my top 9 tips for scoring CLB 7+ in CELPIP Writing Task 1. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. Also, share this video with your friends so they can improve their CELPIP score too. See you in the next video!